Remove makeup at face, eyes, and neck. Apply toner on face and neck evenly. Apply the massage cream on face and neck evenly. Caress for 3 times. Rub on the chest with both hands. Back and forth for 3 times. Slide past the shoulder to 大半径. Knead 大半径 with both hands for 5 to 8 times. Lift upwards at the neck with both hands alternately. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Lift with both hands from chin to the temple on 2 sides. Press the temple for 3 times. Then slide to the forehead. Move in 3 circles from forehead to periocular. Then slide from forehead, past the eye corner, nose wing, mouth corner to chin. Lift the jawline. Press E from TE17, which is behind the ear. Then slide to the neck side. Operate for 1 time. Curl up both hands and place them beneath the jawline and thumbs beneath lower lip. Pull upwards, tracing the jawline from the chin towards the back of the ears. Operate for 3 times. Clap the jaw with middle and ring fingers and pull towards the earlobes alternatively. Operate for 5 to 8 times. Lift laser labial folds near mouth corners using terpotenant technique. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Slowly massage face using terpotenant technique 3 to 5 times. Cross hands to slowly lift from chin to temples 3 to 5 times. Circle around the eyes with both hands. Operate for 3 times. Trace around the eyes using scissor hand gesture till the temples 3 to 5 times. Circle around in shape 8 and press the temples. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Push the following acupoints: 睛明 BI 1, 喘足 BI 2, 鱼腰 EM 3, 丝足空 TE 23. The temple. Using middle and ring fingers. Operate for 3 times. Move hands in circular motion around the eyes 3 times. Lift towards hairline and forehead using both palms 3 times. Cross hands to lift from chin to the back of the ear and from chin to the temple 3 times. On one side, lift from chin past the area behind the ear to the armpit. Operate for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Move from earlobes in upward circular motions to massage ears and knead outer side of ears 2 to 3 times. Cover ears with both hands for 1 to 2 seconds, then remove hands. Repeat for 3 times. End of massage. Cleanse face. Apply RF cream on face and neck evenly. Attach the electrode pad under the customer's back. Make the electrode pad contact with skin fully. Operate middle-sized RF head at the neck. It is advised to start from the minimum energy level. Increase the energy level slowly after abduction. Use the probe at a fixed point of chest in circles. Use 4 fingers of another hand at a fixed point of chest in circles. Do both at the same time. Operate for 5 times. Then slide the probe from the chest to armpit. The other hand slide to the other armpit, back and forth for 3 times. Slide the probe from chest to armpit. Caress with 4 fingers of another hand, back and forth for 3 times. Slide the probe from the chest in small circles to shoulder. Then slide to neck. Lift at neck back and forth, one eye next to another. Operate for 3 times. Please note, the probe does not leave the skin. Lift upwards with force, but slide downwards without force. When sliding the probe at the side of the neck, press the ear gently with one hand. Move the probe in small circles from the area behind the ear to the side of the neck for 3 times. Press the ear gently with one hand. Move the probe from the area behind the ear to the side of the neck, up and down. Operate for 3 times. Operate at the chest of other side. Operate at the neck of other side. Move handle from chin to earlobe, from chin to ear gate, from mouth corner to the temple. Lift back and forth for 3 times. Move probe from mouth corner to chin, then slide to the area behind the ear in 2 sides. Operate for 2 times. Move upwards in circles at under jawline in 2 sides for 2 times. Then slide to chin. Slide from chin to earlobe, back and forth, from mouth corner to ear gate, from mouth corner to the temple. Operate for 2 times. Move in small circles at the temples at both sides for 3 to 5 times. Move the probe from the eyebrows to highline, back and forth at the whole forehead. Move slowly the probe with another hand together, from both sides of forehead to chin. Move upwards in circles from chin to 2 sides for 2 times. Lift back and forth from chin to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from mouth corner to the temple. Operate for 2 times. Lift the probe upwards from chin, one eye next to another. Operate for 3 times. Lift at the other side. Choose small size to operate at the eyes. Use probe with another hand together. Lift alternately, from below the eyelid to the temple. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Use probe with another hand together. Lift to the temple for 3 to 5 times. Move the probe from below the eyelid to the temple. Use the ring finger of another hand to slide from Jinmin BL1 past the eyebrow to the temple. Do both at the same time for 3 to 5 times. Lift the probe at the temple back and forth for 5 times. Lift upwards with force, slide down without force. Operate at the other side of eyes. Clean the face, eyes, and neck. Apply eyes mask, tightening and moisturizing mask, and neck mask for 15 minutes. Take off the eyes mask, facial mask, and neck mask. Cleanse the face. Care the skin. Clean the electrode pad and operating head with C9. Do not use alcohol.